Car insurance can often feel like a maze of terms and conditions, especially when it comes to understanding deductibles. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in to cover the rest of a claim. This crucial concept can significantly affect both your premium costs and your financial responsibilities in the event of an accident. For instance, if you have a deductible of $1,000 and you incur a loss of $3,000 due to an accident, you will need to pay the first $1,000 and your insurance will cover the remaining $2,000. Knowing how deductibles work is essential for making informed decisions about your coverage and ensuring that you are not caught off guard when it comes time to file a claim. There are primarily two types of deductibles you will encounter when dealing with car insurance: collision and comprehensive. Collision deductibles apply when your vehicle is damaged due to a collision with another vehicle or object, while comprehensive deductibles cover non-collision incidents such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Understanding the distinction between these two types of deductibles is vital. For example, if you live in an area prone to severe weather, you may want to consider a lower comprehensive deductible to ensure that you are adequately protected against potential damages. Real-life examples can illuminate how these deductibles impact your claims and overall insurance experience, helping you to visualize their importance in your policy. Choosing the right deductible is a balancing act between your budget and your risk tolerance. High deductibles generally lead to lower premiums, which can be appealing for those looking to save money up front. However, this means you will be responsible for a larger out-of-pocket expense if you need to file a claim. Conversely, low deductibles result in higher premiums but less financial strain during a claim. It is essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Many people make the mistake of opting for a low deductible without considering their driving habits or financial situation. By understanding your needs and preferences, you can select a deductible that aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. In today's digital age, technology plays a significant role in optimizing your insurance experience. Artificial intelligence tools can analyze your driving habits and predict the optimal deductible for you. These tools can help you understand how different deductible amounts will affect your premiums and potential out-of-pocket costs in the event of a claim. Additionally, various apps can model different claim scenarios, allowing you to visualize the financial impact of choosing different deductibles. This technological assistance can prevent costly mistakes and ensure that you are making the best choice for your situation. Embracing these innovations can empower you to take control of your insurance decisions. When it comes to filing a claim, knowing how to manage your deductible efficiently can save you time and money. First, familiarize yourself with the steps to take when an incident occurs. Document everything, from the accident scene to any damages sustained. When it's time to file your claim, you will need to pay your deductible up front. Understanding how to minimize out-of-pocket costs is crucial. For example, some repair shops may offer payment plans or discounts if you pay your deductible in cash. Additionally, keeping meticulous records of all communications and repairs can help streamline the claims process. Expert tips on managing claims effectively can make a significant difference in your overall experience. The benefits of understanding deductibles extend beyond mere knowledge. They empower you to make smart financial decisions. Gaining clarity about how deductibles impact your premiums and claims allows you to tailor your insurance to fit your needs. By learning how to choose the right deductible, you can align your coverage with your budget and lifestyle. Furthermore, leveraging technology can provide insights that help you avoid costly errors. Lastly, mastering the claims process can lead to significant savings in out-of-pocket expenses. This guide is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complexities of car insurance deductibles effectively. In conclusion, Understanding how car insurance deductibles work is essential for any driver looking to save money and make informed decisions about their coverage. This guide offers a comprehensive overview of deductibles, their types, and the impact they have on your premiums and claims. By weighing your options carefully and utilizing technology, you can optimize your deductible choices and manage claims effectively. Don't leave money on the table. Take charge of your car insurance experience and ensure that you are making the best choices for your financial future.